Okay, what I'm doing here today is we're going to do a pressure test on the joint that we put together here with the Coroplast and the CPVC pipe. I want to see what its burst pressure is, just to see if it's going to be suitable for what we want to do. And so this is the product we're using right now, which is Kaulk. It's about $9 a tube, but a lot cheaper than the epoxies, and it's got a great coverage area. And here's a piece of CPVC that I cut the sample out of. Anyways, I also have here a pressure gauge. Right now I've got it set at 0, a pressure regulator. And so I'm just going to plug in, apply pressure, and I used a hose clamp on my fitting for today because I want to do some additional tests. I can reuse the fitting that way. But we'll go ahead and apply some pressure to this and see where it bursts at. So simply just hook it up. I'm hoping you guys can see the gauge here. I'll move it closer. Anyways, we'll just start turning it up and see what happens. I've not done this. This is take one. Okay, we're already at 20 psi. You can see a little, I don't know if you can see the deformation of the Coroplast on the bottom there, so we do have a great deal of pressure there. I'm going to go ahead and lay that on its side. Just continue to increase the pressure here. It looks like about 28 psi is when it ruptured. So that's what I wanted to find out. That's not bad, especially for this type of joint. In the manner that we'll be hooking it up with a solar system, I don't think that's going to be near as much of a problem, but you can see it's very, well, I don't know, let me get back in camera view here. You see it's very flexible and can handle a lot of pressure. So it handles 28 psi. That's a static pressure rather than a flowing pressure. I think once we get the fluid flowing through the system, it won't be a problem. You can see it bonds really well to the Coroplast. The only thing I would say is if we were to abrade or sand the surface a little bit, you'd get even better bonding from the material itself. But that's what I wanted to show you, and thank you for your time. Bye.